We are back, and I have a rubber mallet. Do you hear that? Greetings from the Grasshopper, everyone. So we are back in our glorious tent today, and Bagheera is going to be getting a little more TLC. So we have a couple things that are, you know, plaguing the old chap, but we're just going to attend to one today, and that's the steering. The bearings in our steering are a little crunchy, so they need replacing. I have a feeling they're not looking too good. Now, my last in the garage / tent video, I don't know how helpful that was to anybody. I really don't know how helpful this video would be to anybody. Again, it's just sort of chilling, you know, hanging in the garage. But I'll try maybe to do a bit better at the how-tos. You know, no guarantees. We're just here having fun. So we need to first get this wheel off. And once that's off, then we kind of just go up the ways here. Oh, and I got some new tools, some really cool Motion Pro bearing puller, pusher, you know, schnazzer-nazzers. So that'll be fun to try and figure out. All right, I think we are ready to begin. So to start, we gotta take the wheel off. So it's a pretty simple process, I'll show you. We need to get this loosened. And then this big guy loosened. Oh, you know what I don't have? Going to need a rubber mallet, I believe, to knock it out, yes? I know where I can get one. I'll be right back. Okay. We are back, and I have a rubber mallet. I was just thinking now, I think I need some cardboard. I should be kneeling on cardboard. I don't know what lady is, you know. Okay, I found the perfect thing to kneel on. Fortnite box. This video is not sponsored by Fortnite. But you know. Alright. So, we shall begin, yes? Thinking it would be turning that way, so therefore, you know, I really should get some clothes. Alright. I'm taking the simplest thing and making it twice as difficult by not being prepared when you start. Alright. Now, as you can see, I'll show you quickly. I've jacked them up here because even though it's on the center stand, you want to have the bike off the front wheel completely. So, did a little shorten them up there with my old 4Runner jack. There we go. Whoosh. So, we got that loosened. Now we gotta break this, the main axle. Just going to need some muscles. Too much thinking, eh? Get you into trouble. Okay, so I also have a piece of cardboard ready for when I take the wheel off. I'm just gonna snurk this in between the brake pads and the caliper so that they don't, I mean, unless I pull the lever, they shouldn't close up, but you know, it's just a better thing to prevent your brake pads from snurking in there, and then you have to kind of get them in, you know. So cardboard is your friend. All right, let's see if I can do this without hurting myself. we go. Whew. Actually, that wasn't as tight as I thought it would be. Good or bad, I don't know. Yeah, that was easy. Right? And so. Here. Did it rain? Chilly day today. Not too bad. I don't know if it's about 5 degrees. Probably 5 degrees by now. So, kind of got the wheel propped up in a precarious way, that just to help the weight while I'm banging out the axle. Okay, so I'll bring you over here. You see this area here. This is our speed sensor. And it's kind of gonna fall out when we bang the axle out, as well as on this side. A little spacer here will also fall out, so it's gonna be a whole bunch of clumpings. Hey, here it comes. There goes the spacer. Speed sensor, we'll just snap that off there. Dun, dun, dun. Easy peasy, eh? It's actually a really good thing to do. I've been really negligent. Oh, wait, hang on. Yeah, let's just put this over here before I forget. Get that cardboard piece. So I'll show you where we're putting it. We'll come back to the rim. See in here, because they're caliper, you get your brake pads. And what you want not to have happen is your brake pads to go because there's no disc there for them to go on. So we want to put this in here. Learned that from when I had to do the brakes on our Mazda RX-7. We watched a lot of brake videos. I'd never done brakes, so I was pretty nervous. But it was actually Eric, the car guy. Now, a little side note, spacer. I know this, you're not into cars because you're watching me do a motorcycle, but that doesn't mean you don't like cars too. And fundamentally, everything's the same, right? Anyways, Eric, the car guy, taught us how to do the brakes on our vehicle. Taught us, I'm meaning by his YouTube videos and his channel. And anytime I need to know anything about a vehicle, I can check out his channel. It's very helpful, and he's an awesome guy. So, all right. So we have an axle that's greasy. It's okay. We like grease. It's just beginning with the grease. Let me tell you, I think it's going to be a mess inside there. Okay, so anyways, back to the rim. This is a really good thing to do. Like I said, gravel in my knee to have a garage. Anyways, I should have taken my rim off sooner. I really should learn how to change my tire. I have not done that yet. So I really should do that for sometime if we're out on the trails and I actually need to do it. Alright, so at this point we're going to take this inside to get cleaned up. Trying not to get any finger marks or juicy finger oils on the disc. I want to keep it shiny. Okay, I could sit here and clean for hours. Back to the task at hand. Okay. Aha, yes.
Close your eyes. What do you hear?
I hear the water. I hear the birds.
Do you hear your own heartbeat?
No.
Do you hear the grasshopper, which is at your feet?